Hey guys, welcome to another trading recap. Today is October 22nd. And we're gonna go over this trade I took. It was a good trade. As you see, we did hit full TP, so I'm gonna go over it real quick. So first thing, I looked at daily. Oh, where, where's all the? Okay, there. So as you see, I was looking at daily. Obviously, we had this, we had this high formed. Tap in this order block and this rejection block. Um, we also had this fair value gap, and as you see, we were heading down. We formed this, and it closed. It did wick up past this high, swept this high, and it closed below. Um, so obviously, I was thinking that we were gonna go lower, especially because we had this daily fair value gap that we formed right here. So what I want to see us either come here, tap in CE, or fully turtle soup this for value gap. And as you see right now, we are about to turtle soup it, which I think is going to happen. We already had this huge rejection down here. But yeah, I think that we're going to turtle soup it and head to all-time highs again. I'm still bullish on weekly. Okay, so that's my bias. I basically just wanted price to come and tap in here, this whole range. And then just to shorten it down, to make it a little bit more precise, I marked out this for value gap for price can tap into, and it could also tap into this whole inverse value gap too. CE of it, so which it did. Um, and then going to 1 hour. So obviously, if you see right here, we had 1 hour order block right here. Because obviously I did think that we were gonna dump market open. As you see, we had this huge accumulation of price from Asia and London. Even though we did rally back up. So and it was a little bit of a AMD setup, especially on if you look at 15-minute, where you see this accumulation of price right here. This could all be considered accumulation. All of this. And then, as you see, we had this manipulation. We still have this liquidity, right? And then manipulation to upside and distribution to downside. And also, if you look at hourly, yeah, we just prices just accumulate a ton. So obviously there was going to be a big move, especially at New York Open. So again, starting with this, so we have an order block right here. I wanted price to come and tap this order block, ideally CE of it, which is basically midpoint, which it did. It turtle souped here, and then it gave another chance to tap in over here. And then if you zero down on 15-minute, we see a obviously order block right here, which price tapped into and rejected, but also fair value gap right here, 15-minute fair value gap, so which was inside the order block, right? And then we also have a 5-minute OTE, which I decided to get in on. If you just draw it from here, or sorry, I think it was 15-minute OTE. 15-minute, yeah. So this, and if you, where's the low? Yeah. So this whole move down, we could have gone to tap in this range, which we did. And then, just to make it a little more precise, I went down 0 down to 1 minute. And essentially, I just want a rejection off this level, tap in the CE, and this also lines with OTE, and I also had an overbought VWAP. So I wanted to see us essentially sweep this, go, and I wanted us to get a change of state of delivery, tap in back and change in state of delivery, and then as you see, we move down. So as you see, we did move down. We get the distribution down. Yeah, that's basically my recap for today. Thank you.